Hopefully everything is looking good. Here we go. Top of the morning. I'm gonna take it here. Not at 20 bucks. Alright, let me move you real quick here. Oh yeah, I like that drop. Tight stops, tight stops. Like it, like it, like it. I'm gonna move stop into profit. Take off risk. It's a good trade. Good trade. See what happens here. Putting my modifying my stop here. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Look at that. Moving stops. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Modifying my stop. Let's see here if we can keep going down. I'm closing. That's a good trade, guys. Solid trade. Look at that. Oh, snap. What a banger trade this morning. Come on. Let's see if it keeps going here. Can we keep going here? It's still going. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. Why did I hop out of the trade? This is a massive move. Doing it live, doing it live. I'm gonna see if I think today I'm gonna be dropping a YouTube video on strategy. We're doing a giveaway on Patrick Whelan's channel, so 54-point move. I mean, man, that's fire. You, you know what I mean? That's a fire move. We caught that 54-point move. We this is a good trade, guys. Patrick Whelan, he bought, we sold, and he trades the more the orb. So we cut a banger trade today, guys. Man, we should have stood in. This was a slapper trade. And I was like, I'm gonna get in three contracts. I only went in two. But it's okay, guys. We're building this $1,000 account live. So I'm gonna be here every single day until we take it to 10K. My boy Jake, what's going on? Good morning. Bro, you see this trade? Ooh, look at the trade, man. We caught that thing today. 54 points. If I would have held, that was like 180, almost $200. If I would have held, man, banger, banger, banger trade. Let's see from my entry here. Hold on, entry 398, man. Man, that would have been nice. That'll look so nice on the account. Look at it go. Oh my goodness. Why is this always happening to me? Hey, but 54 points, man. Let's see here. 54 points. This is a banger trade. I don't care. You just 50 points a day, pay the bill any day. Come on, somebody. You caught and got out. Yeah. This. Oh my goodness, this thing is melting, bruh. What the heck? Excuse me. Bang, bang, bang. That's how you do it, man. We take those points in and out. That's all it required. 54 points. I mean, we could have caught this whole move. But after certain amount, we start trailing, and it's better. I rather trail 135, 135 point move, man. We got out at 54 points. Man, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. Let me check. That's a very good trade. Let me send this to the Discord real quick. Let me send this real quick to the Discord. Look at the melt. Good morning. No way all of you guys are awake at the same time. Go brush your teeth. Oh snap, you got school. Yeah, your mom's supposed to get you up, but alright, hold on. Let me screenshot. Put this in the Discord. We're live on Discord actually, but I like to just put these in here. NQ is dumping. What is this and how does it work? Because I've been seeing this a lot lately. So this is what you call futures, and we are trading the futures market. You'll come across things like the Nasdaq. You'll come across things like gold and silver, platinum, oil, and this allows you to trade that with contracts. You'll buy contracts, and if you stick to a plan, like our plan, we trade the 15-minute orb. We wait for the breakout at 6:30. We wait for the first 15-minute close. Yes, baby. You want banana? You guys ate all the bananas. Oh, you want that? Okay. Go lay down in mommy's bed, and I'll come get you right now. And so, uh, you know, we mark the high and the low of that. Hold on, guys. Hold on, real quick. Cause my kids. Give me a second. Give me a second. My wife came and saved the day. Man, this was a banger trade. So basically, yeah, the 15-minute, or we mark the high and the low. So here's the first 15 minutes. You got the 30-minute, 6:30 opening candle, the high and the low. That's including these wicks, right? And then we're waiting for a breakout. So if we go, you see the 15-minute broke out and look where it closed at, right? So if you go to the 5-minute here, we get the breakout and then we get the retest and we close right under there. That's why I was at the 1 minute, because you guys can see the 1 minute boom closed, and then we had the retest and it closed and then sold off from there. And then we were in there, we were in that trade. And yeah, I mean, this is a banger trade. I mean, this thing went straight down. I mean, Lord, look at that move. This should have been $1,000 trade this morning, caught live. I could have made 100% on this $1,000 account. And if you guys want to be updated with the $1,000 account, go join the Discord. We're currently, yesterday we took, or was it yesterday? No, the day before yesterday when we traded it, we took a $36 loss. So today we are at 169 and 36 cents in profit, and that's minusing what we lost. So now we're back at over $1,000, and then we got profit there. You guys can see, boom. So back to normal on the account. This is day three. Turn the TV down, son. Like way down, like to like three. Lower, buddy, lower. Let me see. Give me them out. You're not going to school? You want to watch TV? Well, you're crazy, boy. Yeah, but this is the trade, man. I think this is a decent trade, banger trade. Like, if you guys want to learn what I do and how I do it, it's very easy, very simple stuff. Uh, you guys can send me a DM and I could get you guys the link to our free Discord. No, I didn't change them. He just woke. They all woke up and came out here at the same time. I was like, what? You guys are like a little army. Let's go, please. Alrighty. Good way to start the morning. Good way to start. What was that, babe? You wanna get her? Yeah. Wanna go, mommy? Go with your mama. She was just chilling too. It's gonna go up. I don't think so, man. We broke out of this range. Look at the drop off this range. Look at that. Look at that range move. 168-point move to the downside. Look at here. We're coming on the higher time frames. We're coming to these lows here. Who knows? We might even break all the way down here. Break this double bottom we got just sitting there looking nasty. Are you trading gold? I'm trading MNQ right now. We're doing a $1,000 account challenge live. Today we caught a cool little setup. We made about 169 today. We would have held. It would have been a massive trade for the account on day two or day three. My bad. This would have been the trade. We went in two contracts. 600 bucks, 681, and still dumping down. My goodness, just melting. Wait, did I can't turn off the wait, how do I wait, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did, but I cannot see the chat no more. All right, I did something here. Yeah, let me see. I'll look at gold for you really quick. Let you know what I think here. Here's gold right here actually. Oh snap! And gold is just consolidating really. Let's see here. It did buy too. A matter of fact. So I mean, I b- I would say buy right now, right above this range. Honestly, um, unless we close back inside this range, we close back inside the range. Trading valid. I would wait for like a clear confirmation. But then we also have this level here, this high, and so we could, and we know that gold's been just bullish. So above this level, too, for more confirmation, buys are valid. So we're holding this range, broke out, closed. I would say I would long this actually. I would long this, keep a tight stop, maybe like right under the wick, and target the highs here like that. With a tight stop. Let's see. Might not get that. Three week. Let's change the dump. Dump. I would wait for the candle to come back above here to buy it, and that's what you want to wait for. We already have a candle closure, and we have a high here. I would wait for confirmation a break above this level. We break above here, go long. If not, we keep coming down here, arranging out, and we end up breaking here, then you're gonna short that bad boy. From here, we'll just wait. If we break above this level, and that'll be the entry like that. Oh, you're already in. Where'd you get in at? Like what? Where'd you get it? What was your entry? Oh, you know what? Gold might come down and try to fill in this gap today. Honestly, I didn't even see this. There's a massive old gap here. That's what NQ did yesterday. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Here was the gap here, and we came traced to the upside, and then we just came filled in. We sold off from there. But I would wait until there is a closure above these levels here. If we don't get that, then I would sell underneath the range here. Just dumping, man. Wait, how do I pull that chat back up though? Yeah, three, 331. Oh, you got Nolly up here. Nah, you should have waited, buddy. Nah, you should have waited. Hopefully, you put a tight stop, like I said. At least tight stop, even a 10 point stop. You want to keep yourself at like 10 points, no more than that. I would have wait for us to come back here because we did close above that level, but we came right back into the range. I would have wait until we come back in here. If we come back in here, I would even buy it myself too, honestly. My goodness, YM. Oh, all these things are just melting. I don't even want to fight against the trend. I'm not even gonna wait for no pullback. I mean, this is it. This is what we getting here. Look at that 4 hour candle. We're gonna come and sweep these lows right here. Break underneath these lows. We're coming all the way down here. This is crazy. I remember they don't even know what I mean. Think you got daily for everything. Everything you saying, yeah, the man. I ain't even wanna know thing. Yeah, man. I don't even think that dumping. Bitcoin back at 84. Bitcoin. SIBA back at 1327. Look at the sell off from Tesla. Let's see Apple. Apple, sell off too. Gold looks like gold's gonna come and tell you this. Okay, yeah. Okay. It's not to go fast. Gold underneath that range. Gold underneath the range here. Let's see. We want that closure, that 15-minute closure. Yeah. Starting to get some injection on this level. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Oh, there it goes. Oh snap! I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, I would have took the gold cells right there. Lord, I wasn't even paying attention. I was watching the video on YouTube. Oh, that's funny. Well, if you're listening, man, hopefully you took those gold cells. Man, how the heck do I pull my chat back out here? I don't even know. I don't even know how. How do I? I'm in for this. Good, good, good. Let's see, good. Oh yeah. Did you get in at the 3015 right here? Remember, put your stops in, break even, cause gold is still in the uptrend. It could easily just pull all the way back up if it wanted to. And then remember, this would be the first candle close on the 15 minutes. So it says 6 minutes. It could retrace all the way back up, like literally what it's doing now, or it could finish the trade. The breakout trade. That's why I like to be in and out sometimes on these because you know 38 points on that trade. I think we'll come and target this gap. I mean, we can target the gap. I would uh I would just trail my stop and see if we can catch this move here. I mean, that's a massive move, honestly, but it's possible. It's possible to come and fill this gap in today. But let's see, cause we're almost back above that range here, which is good, right? Because if you got out, you still have time to see if the trade is gonna play out at the close of the 15 minute, and so just pay attention to it. See how we're responding to these levels, right? You see, we're rejecting the range, so I mean, you could just wait. I would wait. There's literally just a few minutes left on the 15 minute too. 5 minutes. If the higher time frame, the lower time frames are confirming it, then yeah. Right now, the 1 minute's just like breaking above the range. Be patient. Just wait for that 15 minute closure. You gotta take them profits. Gotta take them profits. Gotta take them. Gotta take them. Especially on a fun day. If you're on a fun day, take those profits, man. There we go. We're back. Let's see what happens here. Oh, no, it's done. We want to see these candles like literally, but this thing is going the wrong way. Don't ever give up. That's hilarious. It's crazy right now. NQ and Gold are literally moving almost identical to one another. It's kind of weird. This is one of those rare occasions. Alright. Let's see here. We're back underneath the range. Let's see if we can get the closure. Yeah, that's a valid trade right there. That's a valid trade right there for all you gold traders. Valid, valid trade. Valid trade. Lock in. If you caught it, bro, you're in, bro. You should pass that funded today. I could see it. I could see that thing. Oh snap! I could see it. Continuing to push to the downside. Can we be friends? I'll support. Of course. Yeah. Let's see. We just want the closure underneath these levels here. Still got 2 minutes. Let's see if he wants to give us this trade. Just remember, keep us tight stop. Still 2 minutes left, so just be patient. Just pay attention to your stop. Right now, gold is in a massive chop. So just ow, baby, ow, be careful. Ugh. Look, they're literally doing the same thing. What's going on here? Why is that's crazy? Ow, you're hurting me. I need you to sit down, man. Now. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Is gold pulling back up here? Oh Lord, gold is mooning to the upside there. Yeah, wait for that 15-minute close. The best thing to do at the moment. Just be patient. Just be patient. I don't know what I did, but I cannot get my the window mode. I don't even know what that means. What is the window? If you can't see the live chat window after popping it out. Oh, there we go. We're back in the game. We're back in the game. Now I can see you guys' thing. Let's see what that 15-minute close look like. I think on my face here. 15 seconds. Yeah, gold is in a very massive chop right now. Just be patient. Be patient. Hopefully when you know these 30 points, you take them profits. Hopefully you take those profits. Let's see what happens here. We might just move sideways. Gold is in a very is in a chop right now. We want a 15-minute closure underneath this or above this. Let's see what happens here. We're coming back down to the bottom of the range now on gold. Let's see. Bing, 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 bing. At least like fill the gap. That's a lot. 100 points. You only need about 100 points, 50 points, 30 points, 60 points. That's your target. You don't need to go for 1 million points on one trade, especially on a funded. You got to take those profits. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome to the live. Let's see here. We're back at the bottom of this range. Let's see what happens here. Rejected these EMAs too, the 9 and 21. We're coming back down underneath that range. I would be careful though because we kind of have like this fair value gap right here. It's a small one, but it's here. And we could easily just come in. Look, we tapped right into it and rejecting, so just be careful here. Let me show you guys. We got a fair value gap right here. So let's be careful underneath those levels. I would want to see it close and then inverse that 5 minute fair value gap. But go to chopping. Man, go to choppy choppy today. But it looks like we're rejecting that level. I would sell. I would be look at that. But just remember, don't sell it yet. I'm just saying, like I'm preparing to sell. Preparing to sell. Wait for that 15-minute close. Wait, 12 minutes left. You want confirmation. If anything, wait for it to break this 1 minute for value gap and retest it and then come down. If we don't do that, so this is what I would do. Let me get this tool. I would wait for some kind of closure. It could be on the 5 minute too, and an inverse of this fair value gap, and then I'll sell it from this fair value gap right there, like that. That's kind of what I would wait for, just for confirmation, since we keep chopping above it like that. If we don't do that, then I'm just not gonna take the trade because I'm not confident. I wish it was as easy as MQ. MQ just straight. Look at the range here. Look how simple this range was. Broke and then straight melted. This is where the 15-minute closed all the way down here. Crazy. So we had to go down to the 1 minute, and we just seen it reject. You see this candle here? Closed underneath. It came retested and just melted. I know. Hey, hey, NQ straight bled today, man. I wish I would have stood in longer. It is what it is, though. You can't even be mad. It is what it is. We made our money today. Yeah, you see how we're holding this 1 minute for value gap? I would just wait. I would wait. Gold can't make its mind up today. We're trying to come back into that 50%, the center of the range. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Let's see how much more time we have. 9 minutes left on the 15. But remember too, it's still valid to buy up, especially because we have this high right here, and then we have the top of the range. I mean, this would be a good entry as well. Like if it came back here, I would get in. I wouldn't even wait for a retest. I would just hop in. I'll go in small. Don't try to go max. Lots or contracts. Just right here. Let that thing go. And that thing's for sure be targeting the high at least. Any oil trader? There's somebody in this dude's chat named Johnny Elias. It's why these African people got my name, man. What's going on? Why do all these African folk got my name? What's up, my baby girl? If you guys want to join my free Discord, listen to me. Send me a DM or a message, and I'll send you the link so that you can get access to it. We live trade Monday through Friday. You're gonna get access to the course absolutely free. Everything is free. And access to me personally. You get access to the crypto portfolio. You get access to all those things. And then a community. Trying to build a community here. All for free, guys. I'll be careful with that buy. Just, you know. It definitely could, though. It definitely could. But right now, it's just for me. There's no confirmation. It's too chopped. And then I'm also nervous about this right here. You have this big old massive gap that needs to be filled. It don't have to be filled today, but eventually it's gonna get filled. That's the same thing that happened right here with NQ, right? And then you could see the damage, right? You can see the damage from that level. The cell filled in the gap, and we're all the way down here this morning just by filling in the gap. So just be careful, you know. We're let's see here. We're back at the bottom of the range. Yeah, look what we created here. We tapped into this 5 minute fair value. This is a 5 minute right here. Rejected it. I would wait. I would just be patient. Let's see how much time we have left. We have 1 minute left on the 5 minute, and we have 6 minutes left on the 15 minute. Just wait for some clear confirmations. You on my phone? You brush your teeth? No, you didn't. Go brush your teeth. You did? You clean up your room? Okay, go clean up. Go clean up your room. Let it go. Isaiah, let it go. Go do go do your chore. Right here. Yeah, yeah. Gold is just mad choppy right now, but it looks like it's having that selling pressure, man. I don't know. I think I'm liking the sales. Honestly, I think I'm really liking the sales. I would like to I would just be patient. I know you want to pass that funded. And I know fundeds. you be you don't be wanting to pay that extra month. I already know. But yeah, you're crazy. But yeah, I see right here. but it it looks like it's holding underneath. Like it wants to sell from here. Like it wants to like just not. I feel like it might happen. It might happen here. We just keep bouncing off that 1 minute fair value gap. But look at that, boom. That thing just don't want to stay above that level here. I think sales are gonna be valid in a little bit. Only thing is, we have 3 minutes left. Let's see. Don't get in yet. I wouldn't get in. Just wait. Be patient. Be patient. Let's see if we can catch a trade here on gold. We want to see a closure. We got 3 minutes left on the 15 minute. See, we keep rejecting, so let's see what happens here. Let's see. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to look at this number. This is pissing me off. We should have been in this trade. We should have been in this trade. Yeah, you're anxious. Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Invite the Lord into your workspace. Lord, just give me a peace and a sound mind. Lord, help me to be patient and to persevere in these markets. Hey, cause these markets be a war, boy. These markets right here, they know how to fight. Look at that. We're back. We're under that range. We're selling it. That thing is. Look at that 1 minute. Let's see if we tap into it. If we tap into that 1 minute right here, I would say. Let's see here. We got a closer. Let's see. See a retest. See a retest. I would get in. I would get in. Sales. Sales. Selling that thing. Selling that thing. Stop. Sorry, like, oh, snap. Wrong button. You're about to tap into it. I would get your sales ready. We just tapped into that 1 minute. Put it at the top of that range there. Maybe like 30 points. Let's see here. Boom, we're rejecting it. Let's see what happens. See if we can, if it can keep pushing down here. We want to see you push down to the ground. Oh, does it not want to give us that sell? Remember, keep your stops lost and go on light. Don't go on heavy. Gold is still like a little choppy at these levels, so just don't go in heavy. Don't go in heavy. Hallelujah. Come on, gold, just sell off already. You know you want to do it, buddy. We still got 18 seconds. Come on, can these 18 seconds give us what we desire? What? Mhm. Who threw it in the trash? Oh snap! Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, oh. Come on, gold. Give us that push to the downside here. We know you want to do it. Hey, gold ain't playing around today, man. They trying to. They look at that. Come on. You should be in profit, buddy. You should be in profit if you got in at the bounce of that. Look at that. This thing is tripping out. Come on, break through these levels. Just make sure you have your stops ready to be at break even, bud, because this thing is chopping at these levels. We want to see a strong break out of this right here. We're doing it though. Hopefully you're in this trade. We caught it live just for you. We waited. Look at it go. Oh man, look at why look at the gold is so nasty. Ugh. It melts and then flies to the upside. What the heck? Yes. Look at that. Right when I said it's gonna fly to the upside. We're tapping back into that 1 minute. If we break it then. Hopefully you're trailing. I told you to trail. So just be careful. Just be careful. We're back at these levels here. Gold's ready to take everyone out the trade, man. Look at that. Oh Lord. Yeah. Hopefully you guys got out the trade. I would have just took that profit. I mean, that's still a it's gold. I don't even know what the point is on gold here. Oh yeah, this thing is tripping, buddy. Well, we definitely closed under the range, so now we just wait, see what happens here. If gold wants to give us that sell, but hopefully you take those profits, my boy. You should have made some money. Was our entry right here somewhere? At the top of this wick right here was our entry. If you sold it, oh snap. That's 380 right there. 380 bucks. If you would have kept your stop two right above here, $60 loss. That's a GG trade. It's coming back down too. Here we go. Let's see if it gets us or we inverse this right here and we go flying back to the upside. But if you would have took it, boom, 380 bucks. It's a banger trade. You probably went two what? Two contracts? What are you doing over there? Oh, don't be bad over there. Anybody been you lost the account? How'd you lose the account? Oh no. You didn't put a stop loss, did you? You let that thing fly. I told you to put a stop loss, buddy. I told you to be careful at these levels because they need to break out of this. It didn't break out. It just kind of right there. You should have already been trailing. Ah, I told you. I gave you the sauce. I told you what to do. You don't know how to put a stop loss on top step. Oh man, let me see. Maybe I could show you real quick. Hold on. Let me teach you. Let me teach you. Let me teach you here. Uh oh snap. Oh snap. Hold on. I dropped my mouse. Let me let me let me help you out here. Let me show you what to do, man. Soda. Let me show you here. Can I launch a simulation or are they gonna charge me money? Okay, let me show you here. So we're looking at NQ, right? Let's see. What you want to do is say I'm looking to sell.
Order rejected.
Order rejected. I don't know how. Okay. Or can I buy right here?
Order rejected.
Order rejected. What do you mean?
Order rejected.
Hmm. I'm confused. All right. It's not letting me trade this demo account. So let me log out of it real quick. Oh, snap. This thing took me all the way out. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna put password as trade08. That's weird. All right, let's see here. It's right. We can get that back, man. We can get that back. All right. So here's the $1,000. Wait. Here's the $1,000 account challenge. We accumulated all our profits. I'm a I'm a bit nervous, but I'm gonna do it just for you here. Let's put an YM M. Wait, what is the thing for YM here? MYM. Okay, MYM. Those contracts are so much cheaper. MYM. Let's see here. This market's volatility gonna take to week lows. That's what I'm trying to say, man. Like this stuff is going crazy right now. Okay, let me zoom in here. Okay, here's YM here. I'm gonna take a contract just for you to see here. I'm gonna sell it here. So say you sold the market, right? You sell the market, boom.
Order filled.
We're in our position here. What you want to do is you can literally. Oh snap! What the heck did I just do? Oh Lord, hold on. Okay, you literally you can just click the right mouse button, and you could. I'll put it like underneath here, like that. And if you're selling, you just need to buy a buy limit, like that, and you'll see it right here on the side. And so if it taps it, boom. And then the same thing, you put a stop loss right here. You put a stop loss right here. Click buy stop, boom. So now you have a take profit and you have a stop loss. If it taps this, it'll take you out the trade. If it taps this, it'll take your profit. You see that? So very, 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 very simple stuff. That's how that works. So let me exit this trade because I don't know how about feel about holding these things, but yeah, hopefully that helps you. Yeah, just right click. You right click your mouse, it'll pop this up on the screen. You sell, then you use a buy stop, right, with the same amount of contracts, for your profits and things like that. Except this one. All
Order
right,
filled.
I'm out of that. That was just an example. I wasn't trading. I was just giving my brother an example. Yeah, pretty simple. If you're trading using this platform, if you're using this platform, then it's literally the same thing, right? If you were to buy, you would just set a you could just set a what you call it? Oh, right here, like little limits, or like I think right here too, like this. You could sell five, right? And then it'll give you this. and you could just set it up like that by itself, right? And set it up how you want. Take profit, stop loss, and that's what just clicking this little plus sign right here on the side. Gold going back up. Yeah, gold literally broke out of these levels, came retested that 1 minute fair value gap, and it's buying. Let's see. Remember, man, you're on a funded, so what are you trading? A 50K? It's very important that you take your profits. Let me turn off this YouTube video. I'm about tired of hearing them talk. Oh Lord, they were just talking about all sorts of stuff that I don't know what they're talking about. Yeah, so 50K, man, your stop. What's your maximum loss and your daily loss, isn't it? Your daily loss like $1,200, and then your max loss is what, like 2,000 or something like that. I believe it's something like that. Yeah, so 48K max, 2,000 max daily. Yeah, just I would trade like no more than like two or three micro contracts, and that's it. I wouldn't be trading the minis. I would be on a micro. My losses, I want to keep them at like 100 to $100 to $200 losses. That's it. You don't want to go more than that. Risk management is what important, and then you have to take profits. Take profits. I know we want to let the trade run. We want to make as much as we can, but sometimes you just gotta take them profits. And if you're in profit already, listen to me. Move your stop in profit. Move it in profit, and if it hits it, it hits it. At least you didn't lose money. At least you know what I mean. Not having to retrace and go backward. You know what I mean. If 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 the trade doesn't go in profit and it goes straight to stop loss, okay, cool. You took L for the day. Hop off the charts, relax, take a deep breath, gather your mind, gather your thoughts. You know what I mean? Not every day is a trading day. Right now, gold is doing some nasty stuff. Gold don't gold don't have a made up mind. Gold is what you call double minded. You was up $1,000 and didn't take profit, bro. What the? What you mean? You was up $1,000. What trade did you take that you're up 1,000? Yeah, bro, you gotta take those profits. Hey, you'd have been like, bro, you'd have been. you would have had you a you would have had you a nice you would have had a good day today. You would have came into the markets uh Monday and just be like, man, I'm ready to knock this thing out. You probably would have knocked out the 50K next week. But hey, don't FOMO yourself, man. We get it back now. Just be patient. Be patient. And it's Friday too, man. See, gold's coming back up to these levels here. We're coming back to the top of this range. Let's see if we're gonna target these highs. I could see it breaking up above these levels here, honestly. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's looking real nice. I'm tempted to get into a trade too. Let me see. I'm not gonna trade this gold. Like I'm gonna only one trade can blow my account on this. Just be smart here, buddy. Where's the watch list here? Mm, just be careful. Be careful. We want to see oh the gold high. What right here? You got it. You took it all the way up here, and then it just what did this? Dang, bro, that sucks. Yeah, man, you gotta take those profits, man. Especially if you're trading funded, you gotta take them profits and call it, or you finna have a bad day. Like, dang, man, I had over $1,000, but don't do that to yourself. You live trading a day. Good thing you had the activation fee to reactivate that bad boy. Yeah, gold is ready to go back to making new all-time highs. There we go. We're about to break out of that range here. Let's see if we get it. This was our first trade idea. The first time you asked me to look at gold, this is what I was. This is probably what we broke underneath. I would buy. I would buy gold. I'm a buy. Uh, what's the micro contracts for gold? MG micro gold futures here. Okay, where's my 8 o'clock? 6:15. 6:30. We just broke above that range here. Oh Lord, if you took them gold buys, man, this is it. I have to wait. I'm gonna wait and see if we can tap that again. If not, I'm not gonna get in. Yeah, yeah, I would actually take this buy and gold. Let's see, I'm in. I'm gonna get one contract in here on gold.
Order filled.
Boom. Oh, did I get filled? Oh yeah, I got filled. Okay, yeah, I'm in. Keep a nice stop right underneath this level here. Sell one. Let's see if we can get that push to the upside here. It would look nice. Oh, if we're gonna reverse and sell down, which I hope we don't. In one contract, one micro gold contract here. Let's see if we can get that push here to the upside. My TP here, I'm gonna take it right here. Um, man, low key gold micros is moving at $1. I should have got like 3 contracts. If that was the case, Lord, this thing's barely moving. Like profit wise, probably make like what $13. Did it feel like? Man, I should have went in heavier. This thing, what? Lord, they barely moving. Just be careful here at these levels, man. I'm gonna hold it because I still think we're gonna push to the upside, but you know, just pay attention to your trade. We got 8 minutes left on this candle in the 15-minute here. See if we can get that buying pressure just to push us all the way up here. How many contracts did you get in? Get in? One contract. Smart man. Smart man. Better to play it safe. There's times where you can go in a little heavier, and there's times where you just, let's test these waters. Let's test these waters. Let's see here. We can continue to get this push to the upside. Alrighty, 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 alrighty. Let's see. Can gold go back to these all-time highs here? What I'm gonna do, just because I want to, I'm just gonna move my stop into profit. Yeah. So if I get stopped out, it is what it is. I feel like those points would have been good right here if we would have went in. Right. Let's see. I don't know how many points that would have been. Yeah, I would want to see this like come and break these levels, but if we can't do that, I know. But the trade is working. The trade is playing out. Let's see what happens. We are at break even though. Let's see. Let's see if we can get back up there. Oh, man, I'm tired, guys. Oh. I wonder. Oh snap. What this would have looked like on here. Let's see. If you would have took one contract on the regular gold, that would have been 230. Dang. We should have went in on regular gold, boy. Yeah, we should have went in on regular gold here. It's $1,000 at the high. If we don't close above this level here, I'll probably just take my profit. How you hear me? Talk. Oh, it's because of this. Oh, the live be looking clean. How come ain't no one tell me the live be looking that clean here, man? I like. Wait. Hold on real quick. Let me go back to that and go to that micro. That's where we're in at. There you go, bud. You can take it. You can close that out if you want. There we go. Come on, keep pushing. Look at there, bud. Told you, Kempachi. What you know about bleach, man? What you know about bleach? Come on, man. What you know about bleach? It was a valid trade. We called it, man. I think that we could see it. We can see it come up here. You seen the 1,000 year blood rain? I'm still waiting for them to drop some new seasons, man. I think they're taking way too long. Ain't no one got the bleach budget because they've been going crazy with the animation. Oh wait, go over there. Go put a shirt on. Hey babe, can you put a shirt on, Journey, so I can sit her down with me? Go, go get your shirt. Go put a dress on, baby. Yeah, the bloody. Oh, what? That thing was cold. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Bleach is my number 2 all-time favorite anime. I'm not gonna lie to you. Bleach is raw. I don't care anybody say. Way better than Solo Leveling. I ain't gonna lie. Solo Leveling tough though. I ain't gonna lie. They're straight to the point. But the build up on Bleach is raw. Naruto, uh, Naruto like a top 4 for me. It's up there. Yeah, Naruto is one of those. It has to be in the top 5 at least. I think my number 1 is One Piece right now. One Piece is just, I love it. I love it. That thing is tough. Yeah, man, I might close this straight out. I don't like how we're rejecting at these levels here. Yeah. Ja 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 ja. Yeah, I might close here. I'm closing the trade.
Order filled.
Because we could definitely come back down from here. I would just take that profit. No touching. No touching. No touching. What? Go put your dress on. Mommy has your dress. What, mommy? Dada. Why? Okay, go put a dress on. I'll get you dada. Deal? Okay. Okay. No, princess. Look at that. And watch it just go flying. Flying to the upside. Baby girl, I love you. But please, I should. Hey, ow. Careful. Hey, Alt space currently opens the window. Do you want to keep it on? Keep? Oh, and then it wants to fly to the upside, huh? It literally just did what I said it was gonna do. Watch it fly to the upside, huh? That's crazy. Lord, that's wild. MNQ. Now we're just kind of in this range. Yeah, we might call it a day today. Um, uh, yeah, I might call it a day today, guys. We'll be back Monday to live trade. Um, if you guys want to join the free trading Discord, uh, just send me a DM and I'll send you guys a link right over. We are for wait 2 wins, 0 losses. How you say that? 2-0. We're 2-0 right now. Wait, 2 wins, 0 losses. How you say that? 2-0. We're 2-0 right now currently today. Took two trades, both banger trades. The first one we made like 180 or like a little more than that because yesterday or the day before yesterday I took like a $37 loss, and then today we just made that back and we're up 167. So whatever, you know, so that's probably like 190 or something like that, like 190 something. Yeah, but yeah, it was a good day today. Look at the range right out the break of this range, and look, this is where I got out, and this is why I'm like, man, I have to start waiting for uh like when they get out, like, cause this is where I got out at 55 points. If I would have held, oh my goodness, you know that was in like two contracts. I was in two. The TP on this, man, it would have been $1,000 day on the account. I don't know, man, but Trump is dumping the market, man. Trump has been dumping this market. It is crazy. Like, this is wow. Look at this move. You don't see moves like this, but this been happening for the past. Look at this massive move. Look in what is this? Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday. Like, man, and then you get like all this other stuff here, which is like, you know, entry points. It's been like good entries. Man, crazy. Yeah, 2-0 for today, guys. Right out of the break of the range. Gold. Now, I never traded gold before, but now we know like if we trade the micros on gold, we can go in there with like 3 contracts, 4 contracts to build up this 1K account. But I don't like gold. Gold was way too like in its feelings. I don't know. But yeah, we took that profit on gold. I didn't really like it. I don't like this. We want to see it go to the. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed. Or not about to go to bed. I'm about to go do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. All right. Trust me. Uh, with that being said, you guys be blessed. Just know that Jesus loves you guys so much, and you know, you can have all the money in the world, but nothing's more important than your foundation. Look at that thing. To the upside now. To the upside now. That too. Look, we got the retest of that 15-minute opening range here. Retest and then continuation. That's a W entry though. That's what we got in W entry. If we would have held, look. Mm, 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 Let me send like an emoji because they're trying to say that inactivity with the stream. All right, guys. See you guys Monday. Buenos tardes. Gloria di Vendega. Look, you gotta do like this whole little thing right here. All right, out there and live here.